Welcome to Dhami's Biology. Today we are going to discuss about cell wall, especially in the case of the plant cell. Children, already we know that cell wall is found in bacteria, fungus, archaebacteria, plantae, in some prokaryotes, and mostly it is found in plants as we know. Okay, so we are going to start up with the plant cell wall. When I talk about plant cell wall, so it is basically composed of the primary cell wall, which is found outside of the cell, and it is made up of hemicellulose, cellulose and pectin. When I talk about the secondary cell wall, it is found in the inner side of the wall, and we term it as S1, S2 and S3. It is absent in the peristematic cells. Now this is important fact. Then comes the next one, tertiary wall. When I talk about tertiary, it is going to be found in the tracheids of the gymnosperms, and it is made up of the hemicellulose and xylem. Now comes the next is your middle lamella. When I talk about the middle lamella, it is found between the two cells, so it helps to attach the cells together. It is having a large component of calcium and magnesium in it. So I will revise again. So when I talk about this, so learners, when we talk about this, then first is we are talking about the plant cell wall. So plant cell wall is primarily made up of the primary cell wall found outside of the cells, and it is made up of hemicellulose, cellulose and pectin. Then comes the secondary cell wall, and we actually name it by S1, S2 and S3 according to its size, status. Then comes, it is found inner side of the cell. Then it is absent in the case of the meristematic cells, as I just now told you. Then we are going to take about the tertiary wall. Tertiary wall के बारे में हम लोग यहाँ पे बात करेंगे. So tertiary wall is found in the tracheids of the gymnosperms, and it is made up of hemicellulose and xylem. फिर middle lamella की हम लोग बात करते हैं. Middle lamella is found between two cells, and it has calcium and magnesium. Let us now come to the composition of the cellulose, because basically it is found more. When I talk about cellulose, cellulose forms the macrofibrils and microfibrils. It is going to be the exoskeleton or the skeleton of the cell wall. Then comes the pectin and hemicellulose. It forms the matrix of the cell wall. Then comes your hemicellulose and pectin. They are made also lignin. ये तीनों चीज़ें जो है हमारा गोल्जी बॉडी बनाता है, जिसको हम लोग डिक्टियोसोम्स भी बोलते हैं प्लांट्स के केस में. उसके बाद आता है लिपिड्स. लिपिड्स में क्यूटिन और सबरिन है. ये दोनों ही जो है ये बनाता है स्फेरियोसोम. इसकी स्पेलिंग आप लोग देख लीजिए प्रॉपरली, स्फेरियोसोम. तो अगेन मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूँ, सेल वॉल बना होता है सेलुलोज का, और सेलुलोज जो है बेसिकली माइक्रोफिब्रिल्स और मैक्रोफिब्रिल्स को बनाता है, और ये स्केलेटन का काम करता है सेल को, सेल वॉल में, और उसको एक जगह पे रखता है. इसके अलावा पैक्टिन, हेमीसेलुलोज उसका मैट्रिक्स बनाते हैं, यानी ग्राउंड सब्सटेंस बनाते हैं, जिसमें ये सारी चीज़ें एम्बेडेड होती हैं. हेमीसेलुलोज और पैक्टिन, लिग्निन, ये तीनों चीज़ें जो होती हैं गोल्जी बॉडी या डिक्टियोसोम्स बनाते हैं. लास्ट में हम लोग बात करेंगे लिपिड्स की, जो कि अनसैचुरेटेड होते हैं. इसमें क्यूटिन्स और सबरिन होता है, इसमें सैचुरेटेड भी होता है. फैटी एसिड्स, ये बनाता है आपका स्फेरियोसोम्स. तो आज के लिए इतना ही, और दूसरे वीडियो में हम लोग फिर आगे पढ़ेंगे. थैंक यू.